Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your time and maximize your productivity. Today, we're diving into the essential skill of mastering time management, a step-by-step guide to help you unlock your full potential and achieve your goals with clarity and purpose. Hello, everyone. I'm excited to guide you through this transformative journey towards effective time management. Let's start by understanding what time management really means. Time management isn't just about getting things done. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend your time to achieve your desired outcomes. Now, let's assess where you currently stand with your time management skills. Take a moment to reflect on how you currently manage your time. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Understanding this will be crucial as we move forward. Next up, we'll dive into setting SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They provide a clear roadmap for your time management efforts. Now that we have our goals set, it's time to prioritize our tasks effectively. The Eisenhower matrix helps us distinguish between what's urgent and what's truly important, allowing us to focus our time and energy where it matters most. With our priorities set, let's move on to planning our days effectively. Time blocking involves allocating specific time slots for different tasks and activities, ensuring that you make progress on your most important goals every day. Now, let's tackle one of the biggest obstacles to effective time management: procrastination. By breaking tasks into smaller steps, setting deadlines, and removing distractions, we can overcome procrastination and stay focused on our goals. Finally, we'll explore time-saving techniques and strategies to manage interruptions and distractions. Delegating tasks, automating repetitive processes, and minimizing interruptions are all key to maximizing our efficiency and productivity. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering time management. Remember, effective time management is a journey, not a destination. Keep implementing these strategies, stay focused, and watch as you achieve greater success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make every moment count. Subscribe button, and watch previous video.